Well, good morning. Let's find another pair to trade today. Had a very busy day yesterday. For those of you who were watching things, we closed our first trade, and we opened a few also yesterday. Let's take a look at this basket. We've looked at this basket before, and I think put on a position from it before. But there was a little bit of activity. So yeah, things have been moving around a little bit, so I think we can go back and take another look. So with the RW coefficient, once again, yeah, this is the one I saw. There's two really good choices right at the beginning here. So let's just we'll take a look at the first one. It's outside the second standard deviation. We'll start with this one. We've got an excellent choice as a backup in case this one doesn't look right for some reason. I can already say I don't really like what the drift is doing, but the correlation is great, the RW coefficient is great, and the track record is absolutely perfect. You can see 3 times outside and 3 times back to the mean profitably here, here, and here, and we just have the same picture happening right now. So this looks like that looks like a great pair. Correlation's awesome. We're talking about perhaps 9 or 10 days to return to the mean. SNA has earnings on the 1st, so we've only got 3 weeks or less than 3 weeks to make these decisions on this one. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and create this as a pair. We'll take a look at it in the hitting probabilities next. By the way, while we're waiting for this, if you're following some of the other pairs, ALD HAR is the one we closed yesterday. We opened a couple of others, but both THC UHS and BCHOG looked like they were starting to move the right way. So I'm going to watch both of these. I might open both of those trades today. For those of you that are following the whole picture here. Okay, so here we are with MHK SNA. It looks like a very good picture. Obviously, it's been moving up, so we would, as you guys know, watch for it to reverse. But it already did take a step back down yesterday. So let's take a close look at it today. So it already seemed to be moving the right direction yesterday. And notice that none of the other ones have run much over this spot. So I don't know. It looks to me like it's very close to time to put this on. And we don't have a lot of time to make the trade. So if it doesn't start coming back pretty soon, it's not going to be a trade anyway. But so keep a close eye on it, and we might put this trade on today. Let's look at the first passage time density. Okay, so what was our? It's at 694, and the mean is 68 cents. The drift said, I believe it was up a little bit. So why don't we say? I mean, there's plenty of room in here. My goodness. Let's just say $1. Let's go for $1 as our target price. And I want to know what happens at 50% of the time. And we'll watch this for, let's say, 20 days. That looks like a reasonable set of numbers. Okay, so the mode to get to $1, it says, is 13 days. And here we're on the 8th, so that's well within our time. 50% of the time is 17 days or less, which is, out here somewhere. That's also quite reasonable. Taking a look here, so we're at 693. Basically, this is showing, in our time frame, a very, very good. I mean, everything from here down is profitable for us, right? And some of these things are very profitable. So everything from here down looks profitable. I don't see any reason not to put this one on. So, give me a call if you have any other questions. The trade that we're looking at today, MHK minus 1.07 or 1.08 of SNA. It is a short, however, which means we sell. For every share of MHK that you sell, you're going to buy 1.08 shares of SNA. Good luck with your trading today.